Welcome in this short Data Studio tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can blend data from two different sources and get one table or graph in Google Data Studio. So to do this, of course, you need connected sources to Google Data Studio reports. I'm going to do it now. As the first source, let's pick Google Analytics. Remember, to connect Google Analytics to Data Studio, you need to have permission on the same Google account. I already got the permission to one of the accounts on Google Analytics. Let's add it to the reports. Okay, and it's done. Okay. As you can see, the first data source has been added. We have data from the master view from Google Analytics. Okay, and as you can see, there is a table with a page title and number of new users. Okay, let's pick another source. It's gonna be Google Sheets. We're gonna connect data from Google Analytics with Google Sheets. I already created the simple table with two columns. The first column is date, and this will be our key value based on what will be connected with Google Analytics. And column C, here are values we want to see in the table. So let's go back to the Google Data Studio. Let's pick dataset spreadsheet. Of course, we're gonna use the sheet number 1 because we have data in sheet number 1. And let's add it. Yeah, add to report. Okay, it seems to be already here. Let's add a table from second data source. Yes, as you can see here, we have a data set sheet number 1 data source. Okay, to connect two tables into one, to merge it into one table, you need to select the first table, hold the control button, click on another table, and on some table you have to click the right button of your mouse and click blend data here. Okay, and yes, we have it. And yeah, data are already here. Let's just change the values. We have what we have here. Yeah, we have date, record count, and number of new users. Of course, we're gonna see, except record count, we would like to see values from column C. Let's pick it now. Okay, it's not available here. We have to change the connection. And here is the data sheet as a available field. Let's add it here. Save. Okay, all changes have been saved. And let's add a new metric value from column C. As you can see, everything has been merged and we can see values from both sources in one table in Google Data Studio. Okay, this was everything. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, like my video, and leave a comment if you wish. Thank you.